Listening, fill in the blanks.
In short, they bridge the gap between the top level and the middle level. In order to be a part of this team, a person should be qualified enough. Because this ensures that the person is having the knowledge of all the work he is assigning to the employees, only then the person would be capable enough to guide the lower level. Above all, the main work is to meet the demands of the employee, so that the organization can work in a better way.
Thus from our childhood only we knew about teamwork. Because our mentors understood the importance of teamwork. That is the reason they always guided us on the right path. At last, the teamwork team generates a relationship between two people. As we all know that human is a social being, so it is beneficial for the environment of a person.
Cooperation enables people to set aside their differences and maintain a mutual solution for achieving a common goal. Cooperation helps to reduce disputes in a peaceful manner. So, cooperation is necessary for every sphere of life. If we have cooperation, we can save our time. Cooperation acts as the trust between the bondage of two people because they help to rely on each other.
Cooperation may be found in groups as small as a dyad, a pair of people, for example, a husband and wife, to as big as contemporary nations. People may collaborate for self-interested gain, self-defense, or to benefit others. Groups may collaborate for self-advancement, mutual protection, or the well-being of all groups, as in the case of a monopoly. The majority of the group's members have some commitment to the group, but the group's well-being is not their primary concern. Each person completes his or her work, therefore assisting others in completing theirs, so that he or she may enjoy the benefits of his or her collaboration independently.
Progress is more likely to be made if everyone works together. Without collaboration, advancements in science and technology, agriculture and industry, transportation and communication, and other fields would not have been feasible. People who work together may produce boundless enthusiasm.
One of the problems with the idea of practice makes perfect is that it can also make permanent. If you have ever tried to learn an instrument or a sport, you already understand this principle. If you learn something incorrectly through repetition, it is extremely difficult to unlearn it and teach yourself the correct way of doing it. I've heard coaches curse their athletes' previous coaches for allowing them to learn sloppy techniques.
College is the place where one can get higher education for achieving his or her career goal. College is indeed necessary for each and every one. Thus, for a successful career, the student needs knowledge, confidence, academic and technical skills, career opportunities and social skills.
We can say that a college is not only an educational institution but also a place to provide exposure to the student for upcoming real life. The senses of duty and responsibility are the way of human development. When someone responsible for their works and duties, it will help a nation to build a social and economic development environment. Thus, college is a must for a strong country with truly responsible countrymen.
Like, share, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further updates.